Hi friends, welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in the Sankalpa series for retail banking and wealth management. In Sankalpa series, we are covering all the important theory and this objective questions as well as numericals in the subject. So today we are in chapter number 3. So in fact, yesterday we have started this chapter number 3. Follow this series completely for getting the complete knowledge. Let's start. We'll be dealing with objective questions today. All the objective questions, which are the important ones from chapter number 3. To increase the earning potential of a savings bank balances and a current account balance, the following facilities are offered by the banks. Means what? Increase the earning potential. What do you mean by earning potential of the savings bank balances and current? Means what? These CASA balances, these are almost free balances for you. Free means on savings you give around 3.5 to 4% interest, and on current account 0 interest. So these are almost free. So our bank's target should always be to make let them go up, right? If we have huge CASA balances, then what happens? Our loan rates will come down because these costs are very less, isn't it? So the following facilities are offered. Means I want more CASA from the customer. So what will I do? I'll arrange sweep facilities, add-on group life policies, add-on group health policies, and all of them. What will I offer as a bank to the customer so that they can increase their CASA balances? What do you think? Sweep, add-on group life, group health, or all of them? What is sweep facility? Sweep means what? Here there are two types of facilities in this. Sweep in, and second is sweep out. Sweep out. These are the two facilities available. Okay. So sweep in, sweep out means what? These are always linked to the FDs. FDs. Okay. Sweep in means what? Suppose if some customer is having the FD, okay, and there is some check which is there for clearing. So at that time what happens? This FD gets broken automatically and the check gets cleared. Sweep out is the reverse one. Suppose if I am having that extra balance in my savings account. So instead of keeping them at savings account for 3.5 to 4%, the bank automatically converts that to FD. So that is sweep in, sweep out. Getting this? Okay, I'll explain this again. Sweep in means what? So many of you are saying that kindly explain better. See this. Sweep in means this is my savings and this is my FD. Let's keep it FD over here. Okay. I'm having a FD of let's say 10 lakhs. Now what happens? There is a check in the clearing. There is no balance in this account. So what happens? This FD gets broken. Both are mine only. Same name. So it gets broken and the funds are transferred over here and the check is cleared. So what happens? The check is not dishonored. This is very important facility. Okay. Similarly, the reverse case. I'm having let's say savings. I'm having let's say 1 lakh rupees in my savings regularly. And what am I getting the interest? 3.5%, right? So what will the bank do? Bank will keep the minimum balance, some amount, okay? And the remaining amount, bank will transfer it to FD. So that I get higher rate of interest, around 6% roughly, 6.56, whatever it is. But definitely higher than 3.5. So that is known as sweep facility. Add-on group life. Group life means all the life insurance policies. Those are given along with the savings account. Health insurance policies means all this hospitalization policy, accident insurance policy, all this. So the answer will be what? Everything is given by the banks because we want CASA. Everyone wants CASA. Okay. To enable the customers to partially withdraw. Okay. To partially withdraw term deposits without disturbing the entire amount and the resultant loss. The banks offer no penalty FDRs, inject an unfixed component in the fixed deposit, offer an overdraft facility, and all of the above. Now this is a difficult question because see if I am having this FD for let's say 10 years, FD, okay, for 5 years, let's say 5 years, okay, I'm having this FD for 5 years, but I need this money immediately after let's say 6 months. Some urgent work has come. So what do? How do I withdraw? So this is the facility which is mentioned over here. So FD is for 5 years, but I need this money only after 6 months. So my family problems, okay? So these banks offer no penalty FDR, means if I break this FD, so what used to happen earlier? Bank used to charge 2% penalty on the interest, okay? But that is removed now. So no penalty FDR, okay? That is point number A. Inject an unfixed component in the FD. So means what? Suppose if this FD is for 10 lakhs, bank will keep an unfixed component in that. Unfixed means 6 lakhs and 4 lakhs. So this 4 lakhs is unfixed. Okay. Unfixed means what? In over here what happens? I can withdraw this amount anytime. This is, although it is a FD, but it's an unfixed FD. Second, offer overdraft facility. So instead of breaking this FD, I will suggest that client that what you do, take a loan against this FD, FDOD, isn't it? So which of the facilities are given by the bank? So it's natural that all of the facilities are given, isn't it? All of the above. No penalty FDRs are given, unfixed component is there, and OD facility is there. Okay. To make the fixed deposit function like a current account, the banks offer cancelable FDs, offer no prepayment penalty FDRs, offer overdraft facility attached to the FDR, and all of the above. Now this is tricky. Now you will get confused between this earlier question and this question. And mind it, I'll give you the answer. The answer is not all of the above. The answer is not all of the above. Now either of these three. Now tell me, to function like a current account means what? I can withdraw that amount anytime, I can deposit that amount anytime, isn't it? What is current account? There can be unlimited number of withdrawals, unlimited number of transactions, right, in that account. So what can be the answer? Cancelable FDR. If I cancel this FDR, then how can I use it again and again? So this is out. No prepayment again means, it means cancelling that FDR. But OD facility, this is the right answer. Here what happens, I'll take the OD against that FD, and that OD I'll be using it like the current account. Normal, whenever I want, I'll withdraw it. Whenever I want, I'll deposit it. The interest will not be charged on that amount. See here, under OD, interest is only charged, I'll write it over here. Under overdraft OD, interest is charged only on that amount which has been withdrawn. Means if I take out this amount, then the interest is charged only on that amount. Okay, suppose I have been sanctioned an OD of 1 lakh. Let's say OD of 1 lakh. And I withdraw only 20,000 out of this, 20,000. So my interest will be charged on only 20,000, not on this 1 lakh. Only what is withdrawn, interest is charged on that. Okay, remember everyone. Okay, everyone. Now subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you get number 1, free YT series. Free YT. Free YT means what? YouTube. Okay, free YT series on all the subjects of JIB and CIB. What are you watching now? Right now you are watching what? RBWM Sankalpa series. What is that? That is free YT series. So similarly for all the subjects you get it. And second point is you get the updates, all the updates. Okay. So all the updates, you get all the updates over here for JIB and CIB from IIBF. Not only updates, they are explained as such. Means many a times IIBF, the GRs or the notices which come up, they are very confusing. So that's why when you are getting all these things freely, subscribe to the channel, click on that bell icon, click on that like button. Okay, do it fast. Okay. The implementation models followed by nationalized banks for retail banking are here. Models for nationalized banks. So what are the models first? Yesterday. Everyone follow yesterday's model video. There I have taken similar question, but that was for all the banks. Now this is nationalized bank only. For nationalized bank, which is the model followed. Now see here, I had explained you yesterday what is horizontally organized, what is vertically organized, what is PV. And there is one more I told you, that is PH, right? Predominantly horizontally organized. So which is followed by the nationalized banks? Anyone? 1, 2, 3. Definitely see here. I'll write this. 4 is out. So either 1, 2 or 3. So what is the answer over here? It is? Is it vertically? Vertically means what? Full data is accessible to everyone. Full data is accessible to everyone. That is vertically organized. Horizontally, it is only accessible product wise and no other team can access it. So this is the model followed by nationalized banks. They should actually move towards this vertically. This is the ideal one. But they still follow the horizontally organized model. Department wise, department. Okay, they follow it department wise. You all have your departments, right? Somebody is in clearing department, somebody is in cash department, somebody is in fund transfer department, account opening, anything. So these are departments which are used, which models are followed over here, right? Whereas in private bank, these things are not there. There is no department. Everybody is there for this account opening. Everybody is there for fund transfer. Everybody is there for anyone. Okay. Which of the following ways the pricing structure of products and services is attempted by the bank? So pricing structure means what? How do I price my products? Price my products means what? How do I sell it to my customer at what rate? I'll give a simple example. Loan. Okay. Let's say home loan. Home loan I am having, let's say at or PL. Let's say personal loan now. PL. Okay. Personal loan, let's say I'm having at 11%. Okay. Now, if there is some customer of mine who's having an FD with me, FD of, let's say 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs FD that person is having. So in that case, what happens? When this person is having 10 lakhs FD, he comes for a loan. This person wants loan again. So what is the rate of interest will I give him? Will I give him 11% or will I give him lesser, let's say 10%, or will I give him extra amount, 12%? So what will I charge? What do you as a banker will charge? Type in the comment section, everyone. As a banker, what will you charge? Will you charge 11 or 10 or 12? For that customer who is having a 10 lakh FD with you. Of course, you will be charging lesser, isn't it? Because he is a preferred customer. So this is known as pricing structure. For regular customers, the rates are different. For preference customers, the rates are different. So now look at the options. Standalone pricing for different products and services. Special codes for high value deposits. Bundled pricing, holistic pricing based on the total relationship and all of the above. So, yes, here, if it's a regular normal customer who's now not having any relation, then it is standalone. Special codes for high value deposits. If somebody is giving me huge deposits, 50 crores, but that is not allowed in our retail banking. But even if somebody is giving it, then we can speak to the treasury and get higher rates. Bundled holistic pricing means this example. So the answer is this, all of the above, isn't it? Everyone download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. Whatever you need for clearing JIB and CIB, you'll get it over here. So that's why immediately download it. Here, what do you need for clearing any JIB or CIB exam? You need 3 things. One is classes. So we have live classes over here as well as recorded sessions. Both are there. You need books. So we have ebooks over here. You need tests to check your knowledge, whether you have gained it or not. Are you confident of going to the exam or not? For that, we have tests. So these 3 things are enough. So everyone should download it right now. Okay. The business model followed by nationalized banks for retail banking are, say this model. Earlier we had seen that horizontally organized model. So now this is another similar question. So which is the model followed by nationalized banks? But the options are different. Look at this. One is SBU, second is departmental, and third is integrated. So what is the correct answer over here? Nationalized bank. Just now I gave you some hint also over there. You are in which? Clearing department. You are in cash department. You are in account opening department. So the word is departmental. Okay, so nationalized banks follow departmental approach. Okay, actually everyone should move towards this SBU approach now. SBU, this is the prime one. Always remember SBU approach. Okay, SBU means what? You manage your own business. Yesterday I've explained. Means, for example, this is the head office. Then let's say these are the branches. 3 branches only. B1, B2 and B3. Okay. So what will happen? This HO will tell these 3 branches that what you do? You manage your own income and expenses. Income also and expense also. You manage your own. Don't ask me for funds. You sell the products properly, you earn profits, you give the loans, whatever you want to do. But you manage your own income. So this is known as SBU. But in nationalized banks, we still follow the departmental approach. Okay. Group life insurance covers and group health insurance covers are the covers offered by the banks with, means this life insurance policy and health insurance policy are offered by the bank freely. Means, for example, you open a savings account with us, we'll give you 2 lakh health insurance. You open a FD with us, we'll give you 1 lakh this health insurance, whatever. So those are offered by the banks with what? FDR, saving and current. Option A. FDR, saving, FDR and current accounts. Saving bank account and FD account. Saving bank account and current account. So with whom are we offering these? We are offering with each one, all of them. A. See here, depending on what the bank wants, if I want to increase the current accounts, so what will I do? I'll book these policies, link these policies to current account. If I want to increase FDR, because let's say I'm falling back in FDR, so I'll increase this life insurance and health insurance policy to FDR, attach it. Okay. Term deposits are offered with the provision for the payment of interest on. Means what? Whenever I am having this FD is having the interest on what basis? Term deposits. On what basis is the FD having the interest? Means, is the FD having the interest on monthly basis or quarterly? Monthly, quarterly or on cumulative basis? Cumulative interest. Quarterly and on cumulative interest. Monthly and on cumulative interest. So what is this cumulative? This you might be understanding, monthly, quarterly, that's easy to understand. What is this cumulative? Cumulative means, suppose if I start this FD today and I take FD cumulative interest. Okay, cumulative means what happens? This FD interest I'll be taking at the end only, directly at the end, maturity. So it will add interest on interest, interest on interest. It will be compounded. So that will always give you the higher effect in cumulative. I'll take this FD interest at the end only, along with the principal. I don't want in middle. If you take it monthly, then what happens? The monthly interest is gone. Suppose if I withdraw it over here monthly, so the monthly interest is received by me. I won't earn interest on interest on this, right? So that's why. What are the types of FDs offered by the banks? Okay, with provision of payment on, means what is the payment provision given? Monthly, quarterly and on cumulative. So answer is definitely this, monthly, quarterly and on cumulative, because I can give the interest on monthly basis also, on quarterly basis also, and on cumulative interest also. Now selection batch, Sankalpa batch. Look at this. In Sankalpa batch, we are covering all the 4 subjects: PPB, IFS, AFM and RBWM. Join at ASAP. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. Join fast because exams are near October. You can join the Mahapack also. In Mahapack, you are getting live classes, video courses, ebooks, test series, mini and Maha marathon, practice papers, doubt sessions. So everything is there. How to join this here? Huge discounts are going on right now. Huge. Get these discounts ASAP. How to get the discounts? I would always suggest you to go through the app, Adda 24/7 app. Okay. In Adda 24/7 app, you have the coin systems. And in the coin systems, you gain almost 1% extra. Okay. Let me show you how to go to the just join the classes. See this. Go to Adda 24/7. Okay, you are here now. On the app, go to the JAIIB and CAIIB. See this. Click on JAIIB and CAIIB. Click on this JAIIB October 23 and CAIIB November 23. These are the two ones you want. So you are in JAIIB, so click on JAIIB October. Now look at this Sankalpa batch. Click on this Sankalpa batch. Click on this Sankalpa batch. You'll see the details. See, online live classes, 300 hours, 142 test series, 181 ebooks. Such a huge thing you're getting, and at what rate? See this 75% off is going on. My God, 75% off, huge discount. Means August 75. You see this code is already applied. You need not apply any code now. Okay, it's already applied. Click on buy now. Look at this. 19,999 reduces to 4,999.75. Huge, isn't it a huge discount? So join it ASAP. Also, I would suggest you can join the Mahapack. What is the Mahapack? In Mahapack, you get multiple batches per subject. So even if you attend, let's say 8 batches per subject, because of the banking time, you might not be able to attend. Even if you attend 8 batches per subject, then also you're getting 8 times revision. You don't need to read the books now in that case, isn't it? See this. Click on JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack, JAIIB Mahapack and JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack. You can click on the combined Mahapack also, JAIIB CAIIB. If you click on this JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack, the beauty of this Mahapack is it can be used for this JAIIB also as well as CAIIB also. Look at this. Click on buy now. See this. Once you click on buy now, look at this package. It is 12 plus 12 months, 24 months you are getting this. And off 57,889 reduces to 14,474. 75% off you are getting, and that also double validity. You are getting multiple batches, ebooks, tests. Already I told you. So join this ASAP. Exams are very near. Okay. So and don't take exams lightly. Okay, because it's a question of single increment, right? For the lifetime. Chalo, bye. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye. Keep studying and do join the batch.